starting my own prop fund. If you don't know what a prop fund is, I want to break it down for you right now really quickly, so then the rest of this YouTube video will make complete sense. Prop funding is used by traders like myself, so we can get more funds under management. The great thing about trading, and the thing which first initially ever attracted me towards trading, is the fact that if you want to scale up and make even more money, you don't need any more staff, any more inventory, any more office space, any more marketing and advertisement, any more computers. You don't need anything else apart from more capital. You're still doing the exact same work, spending the exact same amount of time, using the exact same effort, but you can make 10, 100x, 1000x times more profit, depending on how much capital you've got under management. And that's where a prop firm comes in. There's so many prop firms out there now, the bigger ones like FTMO, My Forex Funds, The Funded Trader, so on and so forth. What they do, they allow you, the trader, to take a challenge to prove that you are a trader. If you pass this challenge within the set amount of time that you're allocated, and by not breaking any of their rules, you will of course be awarded with a funded trading account. And some of these accounts are huge, right? You can get 400 grand in one hit. It's fantastic. Many of the Golden Suite traders are funded. I'm funded. It is like the in thing to do if you're a trader. So why am I telling you this, and why is it important? When you have an online company like mine, the Golden Suite, which is my trader training program, you get approached by other businesses, businessmen, businesswomen, investors that put opportunities your way. And this year I've had two very unique opportunities to start my own prop fund inside the Golden Suite, where I'd have a lot of control and I can make it a lot more easier and accessible and a lot more opportunistic to the Golden Suite traders to help them get funded and really scale up their trading careers. Although having your own prop firm sounds absolutely fantastic, everything would be under one roof. I'll be training traders, they can use my automated trading system Next Gen, they come to all the trading meetups and have my daily mentorship, and of course they can get funded all under one roof. It sounds absolutely amazing. However, we need to look at the finer details before we make a big business decision like this. I'll tell you how it'll work. So there's two companies that have offered me this prop funding opportunity to create the Golden Suite's very own Golden Fund. We'll call it that for the moment, the Golden Fund. Now, one of them seems better than the other. So I've been running with them at the moment and going backwards and forwards to meetings and emails, so on and so forth, to get a really good understanding of what it is they actually offer. And it's quite unique and it's actually very fair, which makes me think, okay, I can certainly do something with this which will help the traders get funded more easily, and possibly even in some cases get funded without having to pay an upfront challenge fee, which would be a very unique opportunity by far. So by me having a bit more control over the funded trading accounts would actually allow me to help people get funded more easily. And that's the one thing that I absolutely love about this. However, there's always a downside, and the person that gets impacted by the downside the most is me. So you're most probably thinking, Ryan, what is the downside here? A trader can come to the Golden Suite, they can learn to trade, they can use automated trading systems, they're gonna have a fantastic support network around them, they're gonna get my mentorship and get funded as well, all under one roof, all under the Golden Suite umbrella, which is absolutely awesome. For me, I get access to even more liquidity to scale up my trading accounts, and also get to help continue to grow the Golden Suite as a business. So it's a win-win for me and the trader. Also, the liquidity provider, which is going to be stepping in, they get a cut of whatever profit I make and the traders make. So everybody is a winner in this scenario. The only downfall that I can see here is that I don't have control over what the liquidity provider wants to do. So if they say, actually, we're not going to pay this guy out because of X, Y, and Z, who's that trader going to be pissed off at? Me. And I've spent years, since 2018, building up a very good reputation in this niche, and I would like to continue to keep growing that reputation. However, you have to be careful when you're dealing with other companies and they're going to be operating under your good name. So that's one of the risks for me from a reputational standpoint. The second thing, which isn't really a big deal, it's going to cost a bit of money to set up, right? I need to invest back into my company to be able to facilitate all the correct software, and also invest money into the fund myself to get it going. So there is some upside risk to me as well, in terms of how much capital I could lose if it didn't work out for whatever reason. But That's the risks we take in business, right? I have every faith that this will work out if I decide to go for it. Let me know if this is a service that you want to see from the Golden Suite by dropping a comment in the comment section below, or drop me a message on the Golden Suite Discord chat room. Thanks for tuning in as always, guys. I'll catch you soon.